In this video, I will show you how to combine this necklace we just finished with recycled and repurposed materials in order to inspire you how to wear our products. Hi, my name is Juliana from 1GiftWorld, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We are also involved in slow fashion. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Today I have chosen three combinations. I've chosen a light glossy with ivory, which the first one, which is this. Just bear in mind, some of these are my props, some of these are my own things, or my own accessories. So these are handmade, also produced by our business, and they're ready for sale. So this is the combination, which is the classic ivory and off-white. So the outfit that it goes with this combination is, of course, you can go with beige and ivory. You can go with this army green, and also you can go with dark chocolate as well, or with brownish. So this is our first combination. Hope you see the bag in there with the flowers, and if I'll put this to combine. So again, add the salmon color as well, along with beiges and ivories for a classic look, and then add the purple to the fun, unique looks of the outfit, along with red and yellow. So the third or fourth outfit and combination will be with red. So this is gonna be a really fun one. So this is our purse, glasses, and yes, our bracelets and our earrings. So as you see, this is really fun. So you can either go with the earrings or with this one. It's not really that difficult. So, or go with one ear each. So in this case, if our inspiration fails, we'll go to nature. So white, green and red. If you see the flowers, all the flowers have got green stems. So I think this is one of the best combination actually that imitates nature. So in this case, I'll suggest to wear darkish green pants, darkish green outfit, or this olive army green outfit for a classic look. Also you can go with beiges and ivories for a classic look, and then if you want to really funk it up, go with orange outfit, red outfit, yellow outfit, but would be better with orange or red if you have this combination. And also don't forget salmon, you can wear also salmon. And then if you are going to wear a classic outfit, then you can go for yellow shoes or red shoes. So we had today 3 combinations of this necklace. We had the first ivory, the second was with green and salmon, and the third is with red to orange. Again, thanks for watching. Please be humble and wonderful.